What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Today we are looking at the 2016 Ford GT Race, a very cool looking casting with that big rear wing and that big diffuser. We've got 8 different color variations to look at today, including 3 premium variations of this casting. This was our first one in blue, very classic color for the Ford GT. The nice big Ford logo on the front there, nice tamp work for those front headlights. And if you guys are not familiar with the Ford GT, it is a Le Mans winning car when it came back for this variation. Here is our next color. It is a white colored variation, white outside, white interior with the blue base. Nice light blue base, I like that. Blacked out wheels, chrome lip on there. There's that nice tampa work you can see on the front end as well with those Ford logo right there, front and center, number 16. And we can see that big rear diffuser and big rear wing on there to go. Very, very nice. I like the white variation of that one. Next up we have, this one was a little bit harder to find. It was a Kroger exclusive, black with the blue base on there. So very, very nice looking. Very similar tampa work to the other ones though. We can see that nice Ford logo, although this one is number 22. Look at the headlights. The headlight tampa work on this is fantastic. I wish they had this on the McLaren Senna when it first came out. That would have been cool. And there we go, nice big black rear wing on there. There it is, all nice and pretty. I like the black one. The black one looks really, really nice. We'll throw that one up there. Next up we have a red colored variation on there. Red's got a little bit of a white trim with a blue stripe on there. This one also the number 22. Great tampa work again for those headlights. Ford logo showing through very, very nicely. All blacked out wheels on this one, which I think fits it. I think it looks good. Blacked out wheels, you really can't go wrong with any car, especially for the red one. Nice big red rear wing on there with the black base. All right, we'll throw it up there. Next one we have is an orange one, which was a very interesting color to see come out, but nonetheless, I was very happy to see a nice different color of it. So there we go, 22 on the front. There's those nice tampo headlights on there, black stripe with that little white on there, red orange wing, big rear diffuser, black base on there, and this one has gray wheels. So there's wheels that we haven't seen on the previous variations. Then we get into the premium variations, and our first premium one was this one right here, and this one was from the Circuit Legends. So very, very cool. I love the Circuit Legends, all the cars that they came out with, and just the tampa work and the color scheme of this one really looks like the Le Mans winning car. So I think that's what they were kind of going after. And there we have the nice number 66 on there to ode the original Ford GT40 winning Le Mans, but this color variation is just perfect. This is the one you want to collect and add to your collection if you want the original Ford GT race color variation. Then we got the Borsa edition of it, and I like the Forza edition one from the Forza set. You can see that kind of like orange on the front right there with the white Forza logo on the side, Forza Motorsports, black wheels with the chrome lip, big black rear wing, black base, and the premium ones do have a metal base compared to the plastic bases on the mainline variations. So we'll throw that one up there. And our final variation of the Ford GT race is this white one, and this one was part of the Team Transport set. So it was a very recent release of the Team Transports. Got some nice green on the front, Ford logo, good tampa work again for the front headlights, a little bit of red on the back. And check this one out, it's even got the Ford powered by EcoBoost on that big rear wing. So that's something different we didn't see on any of the other ones, but I really like the white one, Castrol sponsored on there. But there we go, there is our 8 different variations. In the comments section down below, let me know which was your favorite color of the Ford GT race. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.